This video is on how to use a Biore strip over a nose piercing. Okay, so once you get your Biore strip out of the package, and it looks like that, you place it over where the nose piercing is at. Okay. That one's already got one on it, obviously. But we thought this was a good idea to make this video after the fact. So just take a Sharpie, mark where the piercing is at. Make sure you're marking on the fuzzy side. And then with the hole puncher, for her alignment, this pretty much goes all the way to the back. Okay, let's see. Alright, looks pretty good, I hope. Now it's pretty much touching all the way to the back. Whoop. See if I mess this one up. Let's hope not. Looks good. Okay. Now it's going to get stuck in there, and you're not going to be able to pull it out. So what you do, that one might get stuck too. Just take off the bottom. That little part right there, press it really hard with the pen. I have to use two hands. And now it should pull out a little bit easier. Okay. So it didn't completely punch it out, but it started to cut. So just take your fingers and pull it out. Alright, that's it. So you just put it on the normal way that you would. This is the fuzzy side up here, and that's the plastic side over here. So put it on, and it looks like that. That way you don't get any gunk inside of it. Okay, thank you for watching our video.